So guys, now it's time to do our second project, that is automated sign up in facebook.com. Okay, so this part I divided into three sections. That is, first of all, we are going to fill, let me open in incognito mode, that facebook.com, and in the first part we are going to fill this input tag section, then we are going to fill this gender option, then we are going to fill the birthday option, because these three are totally different, right? So you can see the first one is a normal input tag, so we already saw that thing. So in first section we are going to fill that part, then we are going to choose from multiple options like female, male or custom. So we are going to choose the male, and then we are going to choose a birthday, okay, from this drop down menu. Okay, so this total sign up process is divided into three parts. So let's start with the first part, that is to fill up the first basic input tag. Okay, first of all we are going to open facebook.com. So I'll just copy from there and paste it over here and change the link with facebook.com. Perfect. Now we are going to fill the input tags, right? So let's go into inspect. You can see the ID is U0M. Okay, let's see the second one, that is surname. It is U0O. Okay, so we are going to choose the first one, UOM. Just copy the ID from here, and we are going to write over here first underscore name, that is equals to driver dot find element by ID, and in the parentheses we are going to paste that ID, this one. No, not this one, actually I think it is UOM, right? Copy this ID from here and paste it over here. Yeah, perfect. And then we are going to send our first name, and so I'll just write over here send underscore keys, and that first name is assume refinder, and then we're going to choose the surname. So I'll just copy this one, paste it two more times, change it with surname, and the surname ID is UO0. So I'll just paste it over here, UO and 0. The surname can be .com, yeah, any random name, and then email address, right? So the ID is UOR. I'll just copy it, paste it over here, UOR, and it is email, and the email address is support@refinder.com. Then we have the password section, so I'll just choose the ID of it, UOW, paste it over there, it is password, and I'll just write A B C D 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, let's run the first cell. So let me minimize the screen a little bit. Yeah, so let's run the first cell to open facebook.com. You can see the facebook.com is now loaded, and we are going to fill up these four sections, four input tag. So I'll just run this second cell. You can see it filled up all the sections, but there is one more thing. After filling the email address, it gives a new section where we have to re-enter the email address, right? So let's go and inspect that section as well. Let's go into there. So you can see the ID is UOU. Okay, so I'll just copy the ID. Okay, first of all I just need to copy the email address section as well. So I'll just copy, paste it again, and change the ID with this thing, UOU, U0U. I'll just paste it over here, and this is confirm email, right? See email. And you can see that after writing the first email, it takes around 50 or 60 microseconds to load up the second part, that is re-enter email address. So I'm just going to wait for 1 second. Okay, time sleep 1. Perfect. So yeah, let's run the first cell again. Let's close this one. Yeah, let's open facebook.com again in automated browser, and then we are going to run this cell to fill the name, surname, email, confirm email, and then password, right? So let's see whether it is filling or not. Now let's run this cell. Yeah, so you can see it filled all the sections properly, the first name, then the last name, then email address, then it waited for 1 second, then the confirm email address, then password. Okay. So in the next video we are going to select the gender. Okay.